Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the broskies. Alright guys, so on today's video I'm going to show you guys how much material we need to make a roll bar on the 350 and how much money we're going to be spending on it to make it, so stay tuned. But before we continue with the video, I am going to get some measurements off my front subframe or cross member, because check it out, let me see if I can show you guys. Basically right there where you guys see that bolt, I'm gonna be adding some D-rings, so when I load it up on my trailer I can strap it down from there instead of like always using the tire. So every time I load it on my trailer I always strap it down from the wheel and I'm always pulling on it, so I don't want to do that anymore because it might mess up with my alignment. I just hate strapping it down from the wheel. So yeah, let's head over to the metal place and get some material for the car. Alright broski, so I'm back from the metal shop, and these are the D-rings I was talking about. So these basically, these are the brackets for them. They're gonna be welded onto the car, and then I'm gonna strap the car from the bottom. So yeah, that's how these D-rings work. Pretty sick, no? So these are gonna go on the bottom of the car, so when I load it up on the trailer I can strap it down nicely without having to worry about messing up my alignment or shit like that, you know, bending my tie rods or whatever. Alright guys, so I have the receipt of all that was spent on the material. It was 85 bucks, not bad, huh? So the stick of round tube was 67 bucks, and for this project I think we're gonna need two, but I have one already, so basically 67 times 2 is like 130 something, like 140 plus the base plates was 55 cents each. I bought 4, $2. So all in all, the roll bar that we're gonna be making on the 350Z is gonna be around 200 bucks. That's not bad, huh? 200 bucks plus all our work. I hope that gives you guys a general idea of how much it costs to make a roll cage or a roll bar. If we were to make like a full roll bar, I think material cost would be around, 500 bucks. No more than 500 bucks with cassettes, everything, and then the cutting disc, everything you need. All in all, 500 bucks. So plus all your work, so not bad, huh? I'm gonna go show you guys the car. We started gutting it already, and we're just waiting on Alfonso because the car has sound deadening that we have to take off. But check it out. Here's all the trash, all the fucking interior that we took off. This thing's pretty much gutted. I don't want to take off that piece because that holds the rear speakers. I'm trying to have some music, you know. Pinche yonke.
God damn it, it's a bird.
She hot?
Not a hot, but burn. I don't eat that shit.
The gloves are over there.
It's fine, it's good.
And ande, güey. Casi te das un chingazo en la mano.
Almost.
Chingón. So right here where we're gonna put the base plates, there's what's it called, sound deadening?
Sound deadening, yeah.
And we're gonna use some dry ice to take it off, remove it. Like that.
Give it a few minutes. Come on. Let it sink in a bit.
How much did we spend on the dry ice, bro?
10 bucks.
10 bucks. So you guys have it, 10 bucks, and it'll make your life easier taking off that sound deadening. 10 pesitos.
$10 is 200.
Wait, I just said 10 pesitos, güey.
200 pesitos.
Son 200 pesitos, güey. But yeah, if anybody wants my stock interior, let me know. Bring me some fucking some chevecitas and take it. Except for the stock seats, I think I'm gonna keep rocking them for now until I get some bucket seats. Or maybe I'll just run those on top that I have, but I don't want to use those. I'd rather get some new ones for the 350. But yeah, for now I'm gonna keep those stock seats. They're fucking heavy, by the way. Oh, and then the tube bender that we use for the roll cages is a JD Squared 2. Check it out. And the die that we have for it right now is for a 1 3/4 inch tubing. So este tubo es de 1 3/4 pulgadas y el gruesor es de .90. So este es el que usan en la Formula D. So ahí está. Check it out. Oh no, este es a Model 3. Model 3 JD Squared. Ahí está. Eso, pinche Chris.
You got a little bit left, too, so.
Chingón.
Últimas traen.
¿Por qué nomás traiste un 6, güey?
Nomás me dijeron un 6 y uno era un pinche 24, güey.
A la madre, pinche Juan, güey.
That's why I work
Es todo.
I work tomorrow, dude. Yeah, exactly. That's why you told me fucking 6-pack.
So, como les digo, $200 en material y pueden hacer una roll bar en sus yonques. 200 bolas. El bender vale. How much do we pay for this shit? $600. Y está usada, güey. We bought it used.
Sorry guys.
In Craigslist. We bought it in Craigslist.
$600 with the 1.5 die.
Yeah, 1.5 inch. That's
This,
otro.
this is 1.25, so that's
1 3/4.
My dad has a hydraulic one.
Oh, yeah? Oh, tráetela, puto.
Hydraulic pump, too.
Nah.
And you see us suffering.
Es pa' pinches
doing
huevones,
shit
güey. Es pa'
with
huevones.
this, and then, what kind of friend are you, güey?
So you can build muscle with.
Well, that. Never mind. That explains a lot. But
No, güey.
Never mind.
Not bad, eh? $600 on Craigslist, we got it. And it was like brand new, ¿verdad, Chris?
Brand new, yeah.
This shit was brand new. Like el guy la tenía como que no la usó el güey y se la compramos por 600. No, I think he wanted more, ¿verdad? And then we lowballed him to like 4 something. No me acuerdo. I think he wanted 6, güey, and then we got it for like 450, I think.
something like that.
A lo mejor la compró, but then he got the hydraulic one.
A la mejor, güey. But yeah, not bad. And it came with the stand y todo,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's been a while. I don't
We said
remember
it.
exact numbers, but it was up there, and then yeah, we got it for cheaper.
Yeah, we've had it for like 4 years, maybe.
4 years.
4 years, and we've done como unas que 15 cages.
Oh, I don't remember.
Like 15
It's been a minute.
cages.
It's been a few of them, yeah. It's been a few.
Ay, sorry. All right, broskies, we're gonna call it a night. We just finished doing. I think we did the 2 base plates and then 1 base plate right here. So tomorrow we're gonna continue with that side over there. But that video won't be coming out till Friday. So most likely we're gonna finish the whole car the whole week. I'll film the whole week and then we'll post the video on Friday with the complete product, finished product. But yeah, we fucking cleaned the garage, looking nice. Chingón, chingón. Yo lo limpié, güey.
Clean the garage.
Güey, ¿andas pedo o qué?
Nos sobraron 4 pinches modelos, güey.
No mames, pinches nalgas de Hank Hill, güey. But yeah, the car's looking good. I might get some bucket seats, but I don't know. I might throw the ones off the 240, but I'm gonna need some seat brackets
Sliders.
and sliders, so I don't know. I'm still comfortable though, güey, con las pinches my stock ones.
That's fine. I mean, as long as, well, I mean, after this, you probably won't be able to rock the stock seatbelt, so you might need
Yeah, the
harnesses,
seat harnesses.
you can
But this
probably-
car tiene seat harnesses.
Oh, we can just
Se los quito a la chingada. Yeah. Or también tengo los otros Corbeos allá.
Oh,
The C harnesses, yeah, from the other car, yeah.
Truck,
Yeah.
I
So,
mean, it just depends. Once we're done, then
Yeah.
I guess we'll figure that out.
oh, sí, si todavía que ponen esos asientos, güey, se los ponemos, fuck it.
You look the same. So you get a fit, güey.
We'll see, güey, a ver, ya veremos, güey. So, I'll just try to find some seats, güey.
Not hit the gym from now till Friday.
No, güey, no me quieres acompañar, pinche culo. Mira, ¿para qué sumes la panza, güey? Pinche, güey. So, yeah.
It's a beer belly, güey.
Es the beer belly, no mames, güey. Tienes como 18 meses de embarazado, güey.
I don't know, what you've looked the same since I met you, güey. It's been a good minute.
You know what? You guys know what Alfonso looks like? Picture a frog standing up. Picture a frog standing up.
Hold on. There's a way to find it. Hold on.
Well, Christian finds the picture. So yeah, let me show you guys the seats. These are Corbeil seats, and they're still good. They're FIA approved till, let's see, 2020. So I think I still fit on those seats. And then for the 240 truck, shit, I don't want to show you guys, but I'll just buy some new ones later on. Okay, wait.
Never mind, I deleted it.
I deleted it.
The
picture I sent you guys.
You posted up.
I sent these guys a picture of a frog laying down, all fat, and then from the legs it's all skinny.
Somewhere in Hawaii or something like that.
Pura carrilla, güey. It's all love.
Sorry,
It's all love, Alfonso.
Yeah, it's all love.
El nalgas de Hank Hill. All right, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you guys on Friday. So.
Skip the